What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I said yesterday, I was practicing basketball on Saturday yesterday, and today's Sunday, and he's here.
The king.
Wait, let you come into the camera.
The king has arrived.
As you can see, it's another icky day. We have a new net, red, white, and blue.
And you're going to see all his practice of yesterday won't help him a bit.
My ball.
No, it ain't. I won last week. So we'll let the king have the ball.
And that net is gonna not help him at all. Here we go, it's in. What? And it's in.
Well, what's the... Oh, I'm going to... Wow, that's a new one. There.
Stuck you?
Oh, out of bounds right there. Here, you can check it.
Oh, God.
Hey, she ain't going to like us hitting her vehicle.
I stopped him.
We got to put something there to stop it from hitting her truck. She's going to like us hitting it.
All right, let's go.
Right here.
Right here.
And when I shot it, it went right there.
No, I stopped. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
But then that happens.
What? Not hatchet? Nice try. Oh, got out of bounds.
Yes.
Wow, nothing but that.
Don't you go in the puddles. I stopped it going in the puddle. Oh. Oh. Yes. Out on him.
Out on him. He's him.
It was out on me.
Out on me. I gotta get warmed up.
Yeah.
I got a headache. I didn't sleep good last night. Here, right here.
Cody shot.
You're not in the camera. Oh my God. Wow, his practice might have helped him.
Or nothing. Oh. Oh.
And he let it go out of bounds. Smarty. No, not this time, buddy.
Did you go get that one?
No.
I get the last two.
I don't care. You shot it.
Yeah, good idea.
I don't know. Think that helped?
Leaning, but okay.
Okay. It's leaning what way? Wait, let me come out and look at it. That's perfect.
Alright.
Oh no!
Okay.
I faked myself out.
Wow.
Starting to rain. Oh, game called. Right here. Shoot! I got the last one.
I know, I got the last like 5.
I just got that one.
I know, I got the last
That's
two.
all right. I gotta go here anyway.
I got like 2 in a row. Yeah.
Oh, your diaper fell off.
Oh my.
Wow.
The diaper fell off. I got a one shot.
Don't think about it.
Oh, where?
On you. That was great.
That scratched my leg and it went off.
That's good.
I knew it.
Yeah? Oh. Oh. Kicking, no good. No, my ball for that.
No,
You can't kick it.
you always kick
That's
it.
your fault. No, when I kick it, it goes out. Ready? What?
Oh no. Yeah, I can kick it.
Can't kick in basketball.
I know.
Not on you.
I stopped you from shooting it.
Oh, hey. Not that time.
Oh, I hear that.
Oh! Did you see that?
So?
I believe it. Now with those glasses.
Are you ready for a big butt kick?
Yeah, that was good. I gotta eat that too?
Guys, practice is helping me. Practice makes perfect.
say. But wait. Oh, that's what I wanted. Boing. Yeah, go ahead. All right, it's time I get serious.
It's time to get serious?
Yeah, I'm gonna get serious. I almost fell down. Out of bounds. Wait!
Flash straight perfect.
Yeah, right.
I think we're going out of bounds though.
Yeah?
Wait, what?
How did I miss that?
I got the last one. Oh my god! Oh, it's in the puddle!
Yep.
Wow, guys. It's really raining. I don't like this. It's 4-0 me. My practice yesterday, guys. I think my practice is really helping me. He has the ball in his hand. I think he's gonna throw it. Pass.
Who shot it?
I did. No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I made that beautiful switch.
Tell them that.
I'm done.
Look at, they're all left.
No.
Yes, right through. It didn't even touch the net. It was the most perfect shot.
No. Cody shot?
Good.
I rarely missed that shot. That was the Cody shot. That was on film.
Who cares? The end is what we want, and I'm going to have 10 before you.
I cares.
Yep.
I got it and feel it. Oh, I smacked it. Bam!
Yeah, 6-2. The king on his way. Thank you. Out on you. Yes. Caught him napping. Yes.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wait.
Wait a minute now.
You know I'm good. Oh, it is bad.
Wow, it is bad.
Oh.
Thank you,
Right
ma'am.
there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right here.
It's 6-2 me,
Yep.
and Jesus will stink.
The dog's everywhere.
You think you can take this one?
That's perfect for you.
I'm really good for
I know. I might as well just give up. Out.
Oh, I saved it. I saved it from hitting a cone. I did. Great save by the Cody.
Oh yeah, 6-4.
Oh my god. Free shot?
Yeah, right. Let you get to 8. Good, yeah. You think this is another Cody shot?
I think it's mine now.
You sure did. Get out of here, yes!
Oh my.
Wow, 6-4 and my ball? Well, I gotta. Is it? Okay.
I'm like, I'm just waiting for you to go in.
You are? Going what? The house?
Yeah, I'm missing. I forgot it's still in.
Oh, right there.
No.
Oh.
I see your shadow.
Yeah, right. When the moon in the sky is a big pizza pie, it's a more.
Help me. I'm shooting a lot more now.
You sure are. Talking a lot more too.
Yeah!
Oh my God, 8-4.
Yes! Oh! Oh!
Oh yeah.
Foul.
8-6. Yeah, you fouled me. I get a free shot.
Now I got a free win.
8-6. Who's that?
Who's that? Guys, he's weird.
Wow, that was close. Oh, she's gonna love that. Oh, nice little easy tap.
I'm a god, guys.
She's trying to find a way to blow it. 8-6.
Go ahead.
Well, let me have the free shot. Your glasses steaming up a little bit?
Yeah. I can't see. Where it falls. Oh. Oh, he has the arm out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Hit that pummel.
Yes.
I got it.
Yes. No. Wait, what?
Yeah. Oh. Should have went down and touched it and let it go out.
I don't think so. Okay, Mike.
Serious.
Should I end it in your shot?
Yeah, that was brutal, man.
Ma'am?
Man, I said, and I'm using the term loosely. No, your name ain't Lucy. Should be.
Codina.
Cody?
Codina.
Codina, yeah. Covida.
Oh, bloody hell. Oh,
What was that? Snot?
water.
Well, keep them off of me.
Where should I shoot?
In the air towards the basket? That'd be a good idea.
The moment
Yeah, you almost gave me the ball just then, didn't you?
traveling.
Yeah, no shoot. Not enough. Okay, buddy.
I got the last one. I'll get the one after that one.
Yeah, right.
I will.
You won't have to. I'm going to get it right through the net.
Wow.
Okay? Sure about that?
You're the one going over here. You were standing.
Was I?
Oh.
Oh.
Where's my glasses?
Oh. Whoa!
What flexible. Wow.
What is that? You should have shot it.
Oh. Hello.
Hi, everybody.
Wait a minute.
You're in trouble now. 8-6. Yeah, well, it figures.
If you go past these two tiles, though,
You can't, they're not even.
go anywhere.
Oh, I got it!
Ah! Hi.
Hi.
Are you trying to lose it?
Uh-oh, here's where you... Yes! 8-8!
Get it. Oh my God. It missed the vehicles.
Anything to tire me out. Meow.
For sure.
8-8, dude.
Right there. Pass me right there.
No, I'm not.
Right there.
Oh, out of bounds, my ball.
It wasn't even in bounds.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to steal it and win it. Off of you. Oh, you know what? That wind blows. We're both. Not on you. Maybe I'll go to. Uh-oh. Am I gonna? Yo!
What a save! That's what was game called.
Break. 8-8.
Time. Draw. Oh, I'm cornered.
You had that 4 points. Slot then. Give it to me. Oh.
I almost died.
Uh-oh.
Literally. How did you know?
Save it. Oh! That could have been it. You said you did the next one. Oh, that could have been it. My ball! Wait, watch it! Oh, oh!
Wait, what?
Should I? Yeah, right. Should I give up?
Oh my god, wait, no!
Oh my god. No shit. You want me to have it?
No.
Oh, what's that? You fooled them. Trick or treat. You got the trick.
Oh my god.
Tricker for kids.
Help me! Oh, I'm going cornered again.
6 heads, 6 squares, 6 corners.
Oh, please be able to step back.
That's right.
Guys, I'm cornered.
I don't fall for that.
Oh, wait out! Go that way.
No, you can't. Huh? Wow, that was, oh my god, the wind. Wow.
That was the wind.
Uh-oh. Oh! I could have ended it. Again.
Oh my god. This
You're
has to be-
good. What about mine?
I don't know. Oh, you go by that one.
Oh my god.
Oh my
My
god.
bad.
Help me, guys.
Where'd it go out? Right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Whose ball?
Your ball. I touched it.
He touched it.
Ready? That fake again. Oh man, go get her! No!
Diaper.
Diaper? Wow. Don't ever sign up for baseball, okay? Because fly balls are like that. You'll boing right in the nose.
Thank you.
Don't take me, because I'm going to win, and then you'll be crying.
Oh, I can't go that way.
Right, yeah, you know it. Right.
You're bigger than me.
No kidding.
I'm just realizing that.
Took me 10 years to figure that out.
What should I do, guys? We'll step back?
All right, free shot from here. I got it. No free shot. Oh, who's that? Oh my god. He's throwing. Oh, you almost exposed it. And. Out of bounds.
Oh, can't even grab it.
What a clumsy little kid.
It's it.
This could be it from Mikeyville. I'm gonna scorch that brand new net. Ready? Thank you. No. Yes! 10-8. Cody had me 6-0 and 8-4.
Peace.